In this practice, you will attach and view an Autodesk Navisworks model to the AutoCAD drawing file. Start a new drawing from the default AutoCAD template. In the Insert tab, Reference panel, click Attach. In the Select Reference File dialog box, select Navisworks file from the file of the type drop-down list. Select Ship Complete Navisworks Drawing from the Practice File folder and click Open. In the Attach Coordination Model dialog box, accept all the defaults. Click OK to attach the file. For the insertion point, type 0, 0, 0 and click Enter to complete the command. In the drawing space, select the Attach Coordination Model. In the Coordination Model Contextual tab, Display panel, click 3D Orbit. In the model, click and drag a point with the cursor to view the model from other angles. Press Escape when done. In the View cube, click Back to view the back side of the coordination model. In the Coordination Model Contextual tab, Display panel, click Perspective. In the Coordination Model Contextual tab, Display panel, let's click the following: 3D Walk using the keyboard, press W to move forward, press A to move left, press S to move back, press D to move right, press Escape when done. Close the file without saving.